Today I will be discussing our project Vaikunt Villa, which is across a plot area of 8,000 square feet located in Science City area of Ahmedabad city. My name is architect Ashish Patel from ACE Associates. We are based in Ahmedabad and Anand, Gujarat. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from builderfy.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. The clients are two good friends who approached us with adjoining plots, wishing to design two separate villas. We provided an intervention of designing both the villas in a way such that the parking, the pedestrian entry and the central veranda are shared spaces leading to the individual villas. We promoted such a design to integrate the families not only architecturally but also socially. These shared spaces bring in a sense of co-living in small but meaningful ways as they go about their daily lives. The architecture of villa is tropical modern. The contemporary facade is rendered with earthy materials like red clay brick and stonecrete plaster. The water body, full of lotuses, complements this well. The C-shaped form of the house shades the open spaces of the house beautifully because of its orientation. Deep garden veranda protects the cozy indoor spaces from harsh glare we receive from the south. The pedestrian entry approaches the house from the main road. We have provided a separate access to the parking area from the internal road. The simple intervention makes the house very easily accessible for the residents from all the sides. The pedestrian entry is a ramp pathway cutting through a water body, giving it a floating effect. The water body, exotic landscape and the tropical fauna frame the black lava stone Ganesha residing in the central veranda beautifully. The central hall holds the private space of the house, family living, dining, puja and veranda on north and south side that can be used at different times of day by the family members. There has been an attempt to keep as many spaces connected to the nature as possible. The big veranda on the south side overlooks the main garden of the villa. The villa houses a custom-made modular kitchen with all the state-of-art amenities. The materials and color palette used give a rich and classic feel to the interiors. The double-heighted formal living room is designed with some custom-made exotic wooden uplit ceiling and decor with earthy stucco finished walls. The room overlooks the garden through a huge corner window. The master bedroom on the ground floor is designed in a rich red and white color theme. The first bedroom we encounter as we enter is the guest bedroom. The interiors are done in a contemporary style with use of sapele crown veneer. The master bedroom situated on the first floor is done in a lavish art deco style and creates very appealing and cozy aesthetics. The very space in this room spells luxury. The son's bedroom reflects the taste of the user and reflects the young one's aesthetics. The raw bricks, concrete and other retro elements are employed well to create the perfect mood of the space. The top level of the house holds the entertainment room, which is well connected with the other levels by a lift. The artwork, sculptures and accessories are from the architect's collection curated over time through travel and passion. In case you have any design queries, do post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond to as many as possible.